Hello friend, today we prepare two healthy low-calorie dishes from edible roots. These edible root pancakes are not only low in calorie but also very fulfilling. In this video I have used one radish with two different types of flour. Watch the video till the end for you not to miss out on anything. For dish 1, let us use half of the radish. First, peel off the skin and then grate it. Radishes are a good source of vitamin C and good for heart health. They are rich in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. After radish, next we will grate one medium-sized carrot. Carrots are highly nutritious and a weight loss friendly food. Grate it. Now take two green chilies. You can use jalapenos too. Slit these in center and chop them finely. Next, we will cut some cilantro. Again chop finely and add it to the bowl. Now we are adding some spices. 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Now, to this bowl, we will add 1 cup of wheat flour, that is Ashirwad Atta. You can use any wheat flour. Mix it good. Now, to this mixture, I will not add any water. Add 3 teaspoons of salt and again mix it good. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the radish has released all the water and we have got almost a smooth batter, perfect for our pancakes. Our batter is ready. This consistency is required. Now, on medium flame, we will cook all our mini pancakes. Add some oil to the non-stick pan. Prepare some mini patties of the batter and place it on the hot pan. At a time, we will cook 4 to 5 mini pancakes. You can also cover and cook them. It takes almost 5 to 6 minutes for the pancakes to be cooked thoroughly. Add some oil over it and then flip it. You should flip the pancakes at least 2 to 3 times in this whole process of 5 to 6 minutes. As the both sides are cooked well, we can take it out on a plate. Repeat the same process For the rest of the batter, our mini pancakes of wheat flour are ready. Now is the time to test. You can try these pancakes with some curd or some tomato ketchup. They are perfectly cooked from within. Look how tasty they are. Looking delicious and awesome. I will try it with some curd. Hey, don't go away. Stay tuned for dish 2. Now, I am ready to prepare my dish 2 mini pancakes. Again, I will grate the half radish, 1 medium-sized carrot, chopped green chilies, cilantro, carom seeds or ajwain, cumin seeds or jeera. Now give it a gentle mix, and to this mixture we will sieve our flour. Now I am using gram flour, that is chickpea flour. I will also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Now mix it good. Again, I have not used any water. For this batter, there is no requirement of resting time. Add some salt and we are good to prepare our mini pancakes. The radish has released the water and our smooth batter is ready. Now, on medium flame, place the non-stick pan, heat it, add some oil to it, and now to this hot pan we will add our mini pancakes. You can at a time cook 3 to 4 pancakes. You can either prepare mini pancakes of this batter or bigger ones depending on your choice. Add some oil on top of it and cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it. Again, for cooking these mini pancakes, we require 5 to 6 minutes. It should be cooked on both sides. As the pancakes are ready, take it out on a plate and repeat the same process. Now is the testing time. I would like to taste these pancakes as it is or with some tomato ketchup. They also go very well with bread sandwiches. They are thoroughly cooked from within and they are just looking awesome. I am happy with both the results, dish 1 as well as dish 2. Dish 1 is carb based and dish 2 is protein based. Do try both. They are very good for health and nutritious. You can also check out my other pancake recipes like fenugreek pancake and sweet pancakes. Thank you for watching. Hope you have liked it. See you again.